This is one of the great examples of pig-headedness that you're going to run across. We were told 3 miles back that the right lane was closed. So what do these people do? They just go on ahead. And if anybody had any guts up there, they'd let them sit. The first guy who did that is not even in this picture anywhere. He was driving a Greyhound bus. Now, buses are not exempt from courtesy. And even the specter of... Now, here comes another one. People are trying to do what they can to keep them honest, but... there's always somebody who thinks they're more important. And here we've got more examples. Now I like the maneuver that this guy's doing, but it doesn't seem to slow down the knuckleheads. Yeah, they just go right on by. Yep. Good for him. Yeah, it's bullshit that these people are doing this. Wait your damn turn. Now we got to wait on these people, especially these guys driving these buses or trucks, because they can't get started. So this is why we sit. And there really isn't any reason for this, except people being selfish. This is ridiculous. There's no interchange up here. It's just construction. And we're having to wait for God knows what. I mean, they may have very well backed some sort of piece of equipment and blocked the only lane that's open. Who knows?